Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So as you all know, my name is Mahesh Prasad Mishra. I am an associate data scientist at Ceptes Software. So today we are going to explore Einstein bot a little bit. So in the previous videos, we created an Einstein bot and also set up the prerequisites, build a digital experience site, then build a chat channel, and then connected the chat channel to the builder builder of the digital experience site, and we could see the ancient bot working, but we only did a small preview of the ancient bot. Today we will explore the various functionalities of the ancient bot, what we can add, how many what are the things there, what are the components present in the ancient bot, what are variables, entities, and how can we build dialogues, and in the dialogues how can we build the questions, how can we build a message, what we want to do. So we are going to explore as we go forward, and yeah, let's start. Let's get started. So as you all know, how to find the ancient bot. So we are just gonna search it. I'm gonna go for ancient bots. You can see we have already created one, a small one. It's not active yet. Okay, this is the bot. Then we are gonna open our digital experience site. Okay, all sites. Yeah. So we are gonna click on builder. Let me close this. Okay. So the next thing we need is service console for activating the, like, telling the bot that the agent is online. So we need this omni channel and the omni supervisor. Yeah. Okay. So this is the bot we created. This is a very small bot. So you can see we have check my order. You can see report a problem and find a product. This is the welcome. Like you can see, this is the starting of the bot. Once the bot opens, you can see like I am Ceptes a digital assistant, and the main menu comes. So we now the next thing is what we want to see. So the main menu contains this. Okay. So if we add here another, like, we can add new dialogues here, or we can create a new dialogue here. Okay. So let's say we want to add a dialogue here, new dialogue. So let's say cancel my subscription. Okay. Cancel my subscription. Then yeah, we don't need any dialogue group right now. We don't have any. Show in bot options menu. Yeah, let's save. And you can see cancel my subscription is added here, and also it's added here. So the next thing is we want to save it, and let's activate the bot and check it in the builder. If the menu changes comes now or not. Okay, activated. Let's refresh it a bit, and we are gonna go for preview. And you can see chat with an expert is on. So subject email, and you can see check my order, report a problem, find a product, cancel my subscription. So this you can see how to add in dialogue and how to add a dialogue to the main menu. So that is done. So now let's explore how to add some more messages in the dialogue. Like if we go for check my order, so what's the next message I am gonna receive, and also we are gonna explore that a bit. Now let me just close it offline. Okay, let's go to the bot. Let's say check my order, dialog in and deactivate it. Okay. So You can see check my order. We have enabled the dialog intent. You can see where we have added a few utterances. As I said before, we need to have at least 20 utterances to build up an Einstein model, which will actually help, which will actually use the AI and natural language processing to help the like it will help the bot to understand the customers a bit better. So that's the objective of this. But yeah, you can see what works is 50% utterances per intent. So this is an intent, you can say. Okay, this is an intent, and these are the utterances. So basically, check my utterance and intent, and the utterances we give like they're the group, like they're the subset of the intent. Okay, you can say that. Now let's go for a question. Let's add a question after check my order. So bot will ask like, what is your order number? Let's give that. Let's go for like, what is your order number? Okay. Uh, Select an entity. So yeah, so there are two things. You can select an entity, or you can save answer. Then we can save an answer to the variable. So we don't need a new entity. I think it's gonna be mostly text. But yeah, let me show how to create an entity. Okay. So if we say we have an order number like 1 2 3 4 5 dash ABCD. Okay, something like that. Mixed with like characters and numbers. So we can give a name here, okay, for the entity, then the API name, okay, then the regex pattern is like we can give uh, the pattern of the characters, like five numbers first, then dash, then five characters, so that we can give. So we are gonna go into that a bit after, but not now. We are just gonna give a simple text here. We don't need it now. Okay. uh, New text variable, type custom, yeah, name, okay, so let's give order number. Okay. API name, order number, text, okay, now save. So okay, so you can see choice type static or conversation repair. Okay, so if after this, like after giving the order number, with giving the order number, if you want to choose anything, then also we can give choices here. Select, okay, choices here, like add choice here, enter label, like let's say we can give something. But yeah, let's first of all let's do this, then we are gonna explore this static order. Okay. So wait for customer input. Okay, start another dialog. Okay, so let's save this for now. Okay, yeah. Uh, so first of all, the bot asks what is your order number. Then the customer inputs, gives an order number. Then we can, okay, one second. Then we can give a message, simple message. I'm gonna show it here. Okay. So let's say the agent checks it. So let's say order number, where it comes from. This is the API name we gave for the order number, this variable. You can see that API name. So this is exclamation mark API name. The order number will get entered here. Then we can see the, let's write it properly. The order with the order number is in transit and has been shipped. Okay. Let's do that and let's save it. Okay. So let's see if it works or not. Let's activate it. Now available My order, you can see the order number. Now let's give 3 4. Okay, let's give a simple order number. Now you can see the order number, the order with the ABC. Okay, I forgot to write the with the order number. Okay, anyways, so that's the order number is in transit and has been shipped. So you get the point, right? So that's how we can add a question and a message. Okay, okay. Let me close this. Close chat. Okay, deactivate. Okay, so you can see. Okay, one sec. So you can see more options are there. We can add an action. So in action, we get Apex, Flow, Send Email, and Object Search. But yeah, we'll discuss on Flow after this video. The second part of this video, I'm gonna explain how to add and flow and how to build a simple flow and add it. To see changes in the data and also yeah, we are gonna see that. But yeah, we are gonna keep that to the second part of this video. Okay. Okay, now let's report a problem, find a product. Okay, let's go for find a product. Okay, let's save it. Okay, let's go for find a product. Okay, so message question, yeah, question, find a product. So let's say choose a category on the below. Okay, let's say we are gonna give a various product types as a option to choose from, so that the agent or the bot can go ahead and focus their search on the particular product type. Okay, so we are going to do that. Select an entity, so we only need text here, so let's choose text. Let's create a new variable. Let's give it as product type. uh, Product type, API name. Always remember the API name so that we can give it in the messages and all. So the product type you can see, um, and there's a underscore. Let's save it. Okay. Choice type static. Okay. Buttons menu. Okay. Let's give let's give electronics, sports, and let's give clothing. Let's give that. Give this all choices. Wait for customer input. Okay. Save. Okay. Now let's add a message here. Okay. Let's add the same message. Product type. Okay. Uh, so let's add a simple message. Thank you for choosing the product type, and let's say the call is being transferred. With the agent who handles. Let's try the same thing. Product type. Okay. So let's keep that. So you can see we have given a message here. So let's what more we can do here. Let's go to transfer to an agent. So the bot will transfer the customer to an agent. Okay, but after the message. Okay. So let's save it here. So let's try find the product. Okay. Again, we can go back. Uh, busy. Okay, available. Okay. Now let's refresh it a bit. After that, let's go for review. You can see it changed to chat with an expert. So just let's give the let's give the details and let's wait. We forgot to activate it. Oh, sorry, let me activate it first. Yeah, the bot is activated. Otherwise, it will not come. That's why it was getting slow. Let me check. Let's refresh and let's see. Okay. Now you can see it comes chat with an expert here. So let's go forward. Let's try our next thing. Okay. Okay, we are gonna search find a product. Okay. So choose a category from the below. So let's go for sports. So thank you for choosing the product type. The call has been transferred to the agent who handles sports. So it's show here we'll transfer your chat to the another agent. So after that, after we give a flow or something, then the chat is going to transfer to the another agent, so the customer can talk to the proper agent and solve his or her problem. Okay, so that's the objective. Anyway, so now let's close it. You can see it was successful. Exact message. Okay, let's make it offline a bit. Uh, so now, okay. So now let's see the entities. Okay. So there are various entities like pre-built entities. You can say Boolean, date time. So the normal entities what we need. But we can also create new ones and give a regex pattern to that, so that it can capture the order number, capture the whatever the input is coming from the customer. It can capture it and process it properly, so that to given output. Okay. So we are gonna explore the regex pattern in the upcoming flow video. Okay, we are gonna do that. So next is variables. So you can see there are a few you can see pre-built variables, and also there's a few variables we created: order number, product type, and the same thing. Okay, so we can also edit that. Okay, now you can see this is the dialog for no agent. If there is no agent available, so it will just show that unfortunately there are no agents available at the moment. And this is the error handler. So if there is if error occurs here, then it will show this message and it will connect to the agent. So it's quite simple, straightforward. um, yeah, so it's quite simple. If we want to report a problem, if we want to find a product and then go for report a problem, start another dialogue, you know instead of transferring to an agent. So we can just go for report a problem. Okay, let's save it and let's go to report a problem. So now uh, let's add a message here. Okay, please report your problem here. After okay, report your problem for the order number. Okay, let's put it properly. Order number and product type. Mention mark, okay. Product type after this message. While we okay after this message and wait for the customer input. Okay, so let's save it. Let's activate it and let's check it. Okay, how does it work? Okay, available. Let's make it available. Now the agent is available. Now let's refresh it. Review. Chat with an expert. So okay. Let's say it was I think yeah, find the product. I think yeah. So next we are gonna choose sports and then okay. I think order number. I think I messed up the API name, but okay. Uh, okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. So, I messed up the API name. One second. So basically, we are not giving an input of the order number, so we don't need that here. So basically, if we give an input, give a proper flow here, like starting from the check my order, then find a product, then report a problem. If you go by that flow, then we can get that message. So yeah, so we are not going to do that here, but you get the point. Okay. So if we give all the inputs, as we give the input as port, so it came the the proper API name with proper input came in the message. So let me activate it again. So yeah, let's close the chat. Let's try it again. Start chatting. Yeah, I activated it. Okay. Now it was find a product. Choose a category from the below. Let's choose scooter. So thank you for choosing. Please report your problem for the footwear after this message. So just gonna write. It's not sure. Uh, sure. Let's try that and just give it. But as the input is not understandable, so the dot on I will simply say, sorry, I didn't understand that. Okay, because we are not taking the input and processing it somewhere, so that's the problem. But yeah, you get the point. So how we can do that? So that's how the bot works. So I think I showed it all. Basically, after we give the utterances, we can check the model management, but and also we can check performance, how the bot works, and regarding Einstein data, analytics data, everything we can do that also. But for now we don't have enough utterances. Like we need almost yeah, we need at least 20 utterances, so that's a lot. But yeah, anyways, you get the point. I think covered everything, whatever we need in a bot, how to configure it, how to add a message, how to add a question, then what are the how we can create a variable and use that variable's API name in a message to make it more interactive. How we can add options, to choose from while we are asking, while the bot asks a question. So we have done that. So in the next video we are gonna just do a simple thing to add. We are gonna build a flow, a simple flow, and we're gonna integrate the flow with the bot, and we're gonna see how it changes the data. Okay, so we are gonna do that. So for now, that's it from my side for this video. So subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And thank you. Bye.